take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Good morning everyone, Asha here from Pandamonium. It is a beautiful day here in Craggy Wash. Moo-moo, over here now. We are going to get some rain later this afternoon. It says 80%, so I think we are going to get rain. So I'm going to pack up some stuff, just that way it doesn't get wet, and if we have to leave, I'll be packed up and ready to go. You want to sunbathe? Okay, go ahead, up. Alright, you look so cute in your little pink sweatshirt. Alright, you enjoy the sun. I'm trying to edit as my day progresses, that way it doesn't seem like as much work, because if I wait till the end of the day, then I have to transfer all the files and then do all the editing at once. It just seems like it is less stressful when I do it throughout the day as I record. I need to oil that screen door. It's very squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky. So I have this 3-in-1 dry lube that is for RVs. That's what I'm going to use on that door. It does have an odor to it that's not quite pleasant, but it does the trick. No more squeak. So I have to get rid of the ashes and put this up. I'm gonna cut down this cardboard and fit it on this box. That's part of my fire starter. Put up the wood so it doesn't get wet. Well, the clouds are starting to roll in and the wind is picking up. I had to put some pants on because it was getting chilly. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. Alright, well, almost everything is packed up besides my portable solar panel and my chair. I just leaned it against the side so that way those are easy to pack up if I have to get out of here. What was that? So I went ahead and put everything up because it's starting to drizzle now. I took the rug up and also put the chair and everything else up. Rain, rain, go away. What is that? Oh. Hey, don't be advertising them on my channel, please. Oh, no. Yeah, you can't see that that hill in the distance anymore.
If we have to, we'll just all go out in a line. And
yeah.
I have a tow strap, and Scott's got a 4-wheel drive. We're all getting out no matter what.
Yeah, we just don't want any water because this is a wash, so we could get flash flooding. Flash flooding. I know, right?
I brought you some Hello Pandas for Aja from Kathy and Homer.
Oh, thanks, y'all. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Are you getting packed up because of the rain?
No.
You're not?
No, I got our stuff put away where it ain't gonna wet.
Right.
But I was gonna ask you, could you help somebody with their solar? Miss B needs some solar problem, but later on.
I don't think.
Not
yeah,
today.
Yeah, today's not a good day.
No.
But yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
I told her I'd come over and ask and see.
Sure.
Well, Catherine told me to ask you. Because she's been having a problem with her solar, so.
Okay, I'll take a look at it tomorrow.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Thank you for the Panda.
Yeah, you're welcome. Because I can fix them. I know how to do that. So.
Did you tell him what you told Kat?
Cat? What? Oh,
about...
Yeah, I know.
He told her to get a bathing suit on and take a shower.
I just told her, I said, that's not what you want to tell your wife.
She was like...
She said, she told me, well, I go
open
first.
The door up. I mean, that's a good way if you want to sleep by yourself. Open the door up.
Yeah, she'll kick me out of the bed, that's all.
Come here, we'll show you.
I got her some more Panda.
Yeah, you got me the Panda crackers with chocolate inside. Those were good.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you. Well, the ground is wet and the rain is coming down. Oops, I got some rain on my lens. Oh well. What a gloomy day. No flash flood yet, though. Well, at least it'll wash some of the dust and dirt off of Panda. So it's 4 o'clock now, and this is when the rain was supposed to start, but it started about an hour early. I don't know how long it's supposed to last, but they say it's supposed to rain again tonight as well. No fire, dang it. So this is actually uncommon. I've been to Arizona several times and I rarely ever see rain. I guess that's why it's called the desert. Moo-moo did not eat her treat.
Here, we're gonna...
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna give her her dream bone and I'm gonna put it in her pocket here for later. There we go. Auntie, put your
for later.
Auntie, put it in your pocket. So you can have that later, honey.
What do you think about that?
She's like,
Moo-moo, up. You gotta say up.
up. Moo-moo, up. Moo-moo, up.
Up.
Come on, up.
Up.
Come on, up. Yeah. Oh, hi, the moo-moo. Oh, come on. I was trying to go. She didn't smell the treat right there at her little back pocket. She's like, I feel uncomfortable.
I think that's my later snack.
Yeah. Nighttime.
Yeah, Joe.
Oh,
yeah.
That's cool. Oh.
Yeah, every year all my buddies, they always
Say, let go.
Christmas cards back and send them to try and one at each other. Nobody's going to have anything like that.
Get it, good girl. That's a good girl.
Wow.
You want to throw it down the hallway for her? Is it slimy?
She won't let go.
Let go, Moo-moo.
Moo-moo.
Good girl.
Go get it.
She wasn't even watching you throw it.
They're all back.
Throw it.
No.
Look, ready? Moo-moo.
Moo-moo.
Moo-moo. Look. Woo!
She thinks someone has something.
Look. No one has anything.
Look, right there.
Look.
I thought Banjo was trying to smell Moo-moo's butt. Wait, hold on.
Ethan.
No, it's not the, well, now he's not doing it.
Do it. He's trying to get that tree.
He's trying to get the treat out of there. Oh, now he's just smelling the butt. Okay, Banjo, get out the butt.
Oh, gosh. Oh, Lord.
Well, this is what we do on rainy days. I'm going to go ahead and watch some movies with the kids, and then later on I'm going to go bring a movie over so the whole family can watch it, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Yay, the sun is out, and it is a beautiful day today.
And then if you
Awesome.
there's a coupon in the newspaper.
Well, I've got to get my day started. I'm glad it's a beautiful day. There are barely any clouds in the sky at all. We were lucky, no flash floods, which can happen here in Arizona when it rains a lot, and it did rain quite a bit, but it was on and off, thankfully, not just always raining. Hey, how are you doing?
Just fine. What are you doing?
Just getting my day started.
Yeah? Doing anything fun?
I don't know yet.
You haven't figured out?
No. I hear Coco calling you.
I know. She sees me. That's the problem. I made you something.
What was that?
I made you these last year.
Oh, those are cute. What are these?
I knitted them and you can use them as a pot holder or
I like
dishcloth or
Nice.
wipe up, whatever you want to use them
And
for.
they're black and white, my favorite colors.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kat.
You're welcome.
So like I said, I'm gonna get my day started. Lemon water, stretching and exercise, and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I have had people ask me how I've been losing weight, since y'all know I do love to eat a lot. But I found that lemon water in the morning, an hour before I eat, really does help, along with exercise. That's actually what I'm gonna do now, is some stretching and exercise. Okay, I'm more out. Oh, it's hot out there. It's nice and sunny, but exercising out there makes you even hotter. So most of the time I do exercise in my rig. I have an exercise routine that I do, and things in here help me exercise. So I try to do it inside, plus it's cooler, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of my exercise routine. I found that when I diet and the foods I eat, my weight seems to yo-yo whenever I'm on a diet, and it's not always that helpful. Now, I'm not saying that diet isn't important, but it's not as important as exercise. If you want to stay healthy, your diet does really matter, but if you're wanting to lose weight, you have to add in some exercise. Not to mention, it strengthens your muscles and your core, and it also increases your metabolism. So I definitely do want to exercise every day, and I have been doing it with a stretching routine, and it's been helping me lose weight. I found when I just depend on a diet that my weight fluctuates. It does the yo-yo where I gain weight, lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, and it's not always that healthy. So yeah, I definitely do think that you should exercise, even if it's light exercising, a little bit of walking, whatever you're comfortable with, but it does help. Hello.
Homemade honey. I live in Calgary, Alberta. I
Uh-huh.
have 3 hives in the city limits.
Oh,
and,
nice.
And yeah, I produced this year 800 pounds of honey.
Oh my goodness.
I was pretty amazed about it.
Yeah.
Last year I only made 600, so
Wow.
I did really well.
So what do you have there? You have
This is blueberry flavored. This is natural flavored.
I wouldn't mind trying the blueberry.
Okay, you'll love it.
What's your name?
I'm Tim.
Tim, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I did eggs over easy and some sauteed carrots with curry, sea salt, and black pepper. This is amazing with hummus. I eat it with some hummus. It's so good. Just to dip it in the hummus. Yummy. The eggs were yummy. I have the roasted garlic hummus, and this is the sauteed carrot. It's sauteed, like I said, with curry and spices. And I just dip it in. That's so good. One of my favorite things. I used to eat this with just plain carrots, but when you saute them for just a little bit, in any kind of oil, I use avocado oil, but it is so delicious. Moo-moo likes her egg over easy, a bit runny. You cleaned that plate. Licked it clean. Good girl. What are you doing? Making art?
Yes.
Is this your process of making art?
Yes. Abstract art. Abstract art.
It looks more like a dance.
I was trying to tell him about what's that one artist where somebody, I can't remember.
That's how you do it.
Okay. Oh, you gotta show me what you're doing now. Let me see it. Pick it up.
Careful.
So that's your art piece?
Yes.
Nice.
Is that one of those bottles?
Yeah.
Great job. Get exercise too.
Yeah.
Okay, so Terry wanted me to try this. It's a low carb, right?
It's a low carb. Sharon from S&S and the RV Cats makes it, and it's low carb crust. It's so yummy.
What's the crust made from?
From cheese.
Oh my god.
Cheese and almond flour, I believe.
Oh.
And an egg.
All right, here we go. Oh my god, it's amazing.
I know, right?
That's low carb?
Yep, I'll make us some.
I
know. Look.
Oh, because it's made with almond flour.
It looks like bread inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. This is amazing, actually. See why I have to add daily exercise in? I'm always trying foods. There are people from all walks of life camping and doing this RV lifestyle, so I'm always trying something different or some kind of food, and it's awesome. And talking about trying food, I want to try this blueberry honey that the guy produced. It smells yummy. Let me taste it. Oh my god, that's delicious. Yum. Oh my god, that's so good. So he said I could heat this up and use it in different things. I like it how it is. It's very soft and easy to dip into and spread, I bet. Thank you. Alright everybody, I'm going to go ahead and take Moo-moo for a short walk before it gets dark. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with us today, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah! We love y'all out there. Come on, Moo-moo.